In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the email address or mention the email address on your Twitter or X account. So it's a pretty straightforward process. All you have to do is just from the main screen where you see all of these options, just click on more and click on settings and privacy. From here, you will see settings, and on the right hand side under your account, you will see your account information. So just click on that. It will confirm your password to make sure if it is you, because it contains the sensitive information. So let's continue. Let's click on save the password if you want to, or click never. And from here, just click on the email. And from here, you can just click on update email ID, and it will again ask you for the verification. And from here, you can just change the email ID and follow the process afterwards. So hopefully it will solve your problem and you should be able to change the email from here. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, just comment down below if that works. And if you have any further questions or you want to see other tips and techniques regarding Twitter, you can check out the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you there.